go, all right, I have this 50-foot putt, boom, and somehow get it inside of 5 feet or something like that. You just kind of like, all right, inside of 5 feet, it's a good putt, right? But when you get up there to a 3 to 8 footer and you're thinking over it, you actually have to pick out kind of where you're going to start the ball and where it needs to finish. It's way more precise, okay? So one thing that I think we need to work on is on those putts from inside of 10 to 12 feet, not necessarily being more aggressive, but being more pinpoint on, all right, this ball is going to start here and it's going to go there. Very cut and dry, basic, straightforward, just like that.
Yeah.
So if I'm looking at this putt here, I'm thinking, all right, so it's going to turn just a little if any, right?
It is going to turn just a little right.
Just a little right.
It's like, it's right here.
Okay, so.
And that's where the spot, and I know, like, I've rolled this putt 15, 20 times now, like, so I know what it does.
Okay.
Like, I know that's where it is.
Exactly.
I know that's where my spot is, and I know that's where I want to hit it, and then I just don't. Like,
so we want to get up there, and one thing that helps even with the full swing is the intermediate target. So when you're standing over the ball, what you see Jordan Spieth do is he looks at the hole, right? For certain putts, especially inside of 20 feet, he's looking at the hole, which makes a lot of sense because you should be making the same strokes, same tempo, everything, whether you're looking at the ball or not. Just like in free throws in basketball, they're not looking at the ball, they're looking at the hoop. It makes perfect sense to look at the hole. Now, we want to make sure that we get that ball going towards what we're aiming to, right? That's your biggest thing is, all right, I want to start at left edge, but then I hit the putt and it doesn't start on left edge.
No.
That's an issue.
Yeah.
Okay? So if we want to say, all right, this putt is going to start left edge, an intermediate target. So if I'm standing behind the putt and I'm looking at it, and I see the smallest little imperfections in the green, so for instance, if I'm looking at this, I see this brown spot right here. That is one spot that I am particularly looking at. I'll pick out that one spot and just kind of envision that as my aim point. If I get that golf ball rolling over that spot with the right speed, the ball should go in. Okay? So intermediate target is my easiest way of starting the ball on the right line. Very similarly to the long putts, the lag putting, except this is more precise. Instead of saying, I'm going to start it in this gap, you're going, I'm going to start it on this gap.
Okay.
You know what I mean? All right, so if we can get that going, of picking that intermediate target, then I think we're going to see a lot more balls go in the hole.